Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that you all are fine and healthy. Well, today you are going to learn an interesting topic, that is computer networks. Dear students, before starting the topic, I will give you a brief introduction that why we need computer network and when was the first time computer networking has been used. Computer networking, as we know it today, may be said to have gotten its start with the ARPANET development in the late 1960s and early 1970s. Now, basically, ARPANET stands for Advanced Research Project Agency Network. It is a project sponsored by US Department of Defense which was planted in 1969 to connect computers at US defense and different universities. In 1980s, NSFNet, that is National Science Foundation Network, was started to make high capacity network which was more capable than ARPANET. In 1990s, the internetworking of ARPANET, NSFNet and other private networks resulted into Internet. From this, we can understand that an invention which was supposed to be used for a defense purpose or to connect computers in a university has become a revolution in the world. And now you can see all around us that how the world is connected through internet. Nowadays, approximately about 1 billion computer systems are connected to internet. And you are surprised to know that there are approximately 3.2 billion internet users use the internet via their smartphones, tablets and PC. You will be surprised to know that if the internet goes down for a day, approximately 200 billion emails, I repeat 200 billion emails and 3 billion Google search would have to wait. Now we will discuss about computer networks, its types and which networking devices and topologies are used to form a network. So basically a computer network is a collection of computers which are connected to each other by wired media or wireless media. Wired media means our cables like coaxial cable, twisted pair cables, optical fiber or wireless media. Wireless media includes radio waves, microwaves, satellite like this so that they can share data and resources. Well, in today's connected world, networks all are pervasive, right from mobile phones, cloud computing to IoT. IoT stands for Internet of Things. If we connect smart gadgets through internet, it will be called Internet of Things. If you are not connected, you are not alive. And what makes all this happen? The one thing, that is networks. The bits and the bytes that crisscross the cables, switches and routers enables you to communicate with others, exchange ideas, watch live streams, discuss and debate. Our whole life revolves around a huge network of networks. For example, cell phone. Now we all use cell phone these days. All these phones are connected to each other via network transmission among cells and pockets. Fine. So cell phone is also an example of network. Internet. The concept of internet is entirely based on the theory of networks. The website users and publishers are connected to each other via some hardware, servers, transmission tables and ISPs. ISP, our internet service providers. We have various internet service providers like There are various private companies and government companies which provide us internet. Next example is wireless system. The police department is connected to seniors via wireless communication networks. And the electricity, all our gadgets run on electricity, and electricity comprises of network, filters and transmission lines. We can categorize network on the basis of distance covered by them, the communication media used and the type of connections between computers. So there are 4 types of network. First one is LAN. The full form of LAN is local area network, which covers distance not more than 5 km. If we connect computer in an office or in a computer lab or in a building, it will be considered as a LAN. Second type of network is MAN. A network within a city is called MAN. So, MAN covers large distance than LAN. When we connect 2 offices of a company located in different areas of a city, that will be an example of MAN. Third category is WAN, wide area network. A network which is spread across countries and continents is called WAN. WAN means wide area network. If we connect 2 branches of a company located in different countries of the world, like one is located in America, other is located in India. If we connect their branches, it will be known as WAN. And the last category of network is PAN. PAN stands for Personal Area Network or Private Area Network. It uses technologies like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and covers distance up to 10 meters. We often use Wi-Fi router to connect mobile and PC to access internet. That is known as PAN. That we all do in our daily lives. Okay. So after having understanding of what is network and what are the types of network, now I will enrich you about networking devices. So we need certain type of networking devices when we want to connect computers on a network. So the definition of networking device is the devices which are required to constitute a network. Many types of networking devices are available to form a network, but the most commonly used devices are modem, hub, switch, repeater, router, gateway. Okay, so these are the commonly used devices. I repeat again, commonly used devices are modem, hub, switch, repeater, router and gateway. I think most of you have heard about them also. And now we will discuss these devices in a brief. A modem. A modem comes from modulator, demodulator. So it is a piece of computer hardware. It is used to communicate between distant computers. If 2 computers are at a certain distance, then we need modem to communicate. So for 2 computers to communicate, we need 2 modems which are required to make a connection, and each modem can send and receive data to and from the other modem. Fine. And the next networking device is hub. Hub and switches are the devices which are used in LAN, local area network, to connect multiple computers together. Third device is repeater. Repeaters are basically used to cover long distance. So it can be used in metropolitan area network where the signal has to travel long distance within a city. So basically it regenerates the weak signal. And next devices are routers and gateways. The routers and gateways are used to connect multiple networks together. Okay, so router and gateway main purpose is if we want to connect more than one network, we need routers and gateways. In the PPT, I will explain you that what is the difference between routers and gateways. And now the last topic of our lesson will be network topology. Network topology means how physical and logical connection will be established between computers in a network. For this interconnection, we need network devices, which we have discussed earlier, communication media, which may be wired media like twisted pair, coaxial cable, optical fiber, and wireless media like radio waves, microwave, satellite, infrared, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. Depending upon the requirements, we will decide which network device has to be installed, which media is to be used, and how computers will be connected. Now, there are 4 types of topologies in your syllabus like bus, star, tree, mesh. But there are 2 more topologies that are ring topology and hybrid topology. You will know about these topologies and their advantages and disadvantages in the PPT. Now, let's move to our presentation where you will learn about all these concepts in detail. Thank you.